The beauty of an entrepreneur is waking up and tackling your day and doing what you love. Today, March 30th, 2019, we had a busy day. Woke up at 6 a.m., had to book it to St. Cloud, Minnesota by 8:30 a.m. to be a part of the Black Expo hosted at Atwood and St. Cloud State University. Then had to be back in St. Paul, Minnesota to be a workshop facilitator for the YU conference, speaking to over 250 students. And that was from 1 p.m. to 2 o'clock. And then now I'm currently on the road back to St. Cloud to speak and give a speech from 4:25 to 5:25. And then we'll be getting an award around 6 o'clock. So as an entrepreneur, sometimes you just have to wake up and go get it. And sometimes it's all across the state. But as long as you have a positive attitude, you can accomplish that and more. These are the behind the scenes that people don't see when someone is out just posting things on Facebook, posting things out there. Well, behind the scenes, people don't know that you really have to get out there and grind, and sometimes you have to travel from distance to distance. I believe today my car will be having roughly well over 275 miles in one day just driving from event to event. So if you wake up with excuses, you will live your life as an excuse. Wake up, tackle the day, and do as you please, because life is what you make it.